Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be showing you facts you didn't know about pandas in Minecraft. Pandas were added in the 1.14 Village and Pillage update. Pandas were introduced in the 1.14 Snapshot phase on October 24, 2018. Pandas spawn in group of 1 to 2 in the new Bamboo Forest biome. The Bamboo Forest biome is a sub-biome of the jungle biome. Most pandas spawn with 20 health points, which is 10 hearts. Weak pandas only have 10 health points, which is 5 hearts. Pandas spawn with one of 7 personality traits. There is normal, aggressive, weak, lazy, worried, playful, or brown. Each personality trait has a unique texture. Normal pandas have the normal default skin and no distinct traits. Aggressive pandas are neutral mobs and attack when provoked. Lazy pandas interact less. They lay down and thus slower. Worried pandas avoid mobs and hide their faces during thunderstorms. Playful pandas roll and jump more often. Weak pandas sneeze a lot more often. Brown pandas are rare and have a brown and white skin. The aggressive panda's texture was changed from menacing red eyes to a less scary look. Dinnerbone mentioned wanting to add pandas as early as April 2012. Pandas were officially announced at Minecon Earth in September 2018. Minecraft's panda sound effects were recorded from real pandas in China. Pandas love bamboo and will eat it all day. There is no limit to how much they will eat. For pandas to breed, there must be at least 8 bamboo blocks within a 5-block radius. Pandas drop 0 to 2 bamboo sticks upon death. Baby pandas sometimes sneeze. Baby pandas have a chance to drop a slime ball as well when they sneeze. The baby panda sneezing is likely a reference to a popular real-life panda video. Villagers show angry particles if you attack a panda near them. The rare brown panda is based on the real-life Kinling panda subspecies. Lazy pandas are the slowest land mob in Minecraft. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I was able to help you set up your server. Bye guys!